Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're taking you high into the mountains, where one of the most breathtaking luxury homes ever imagined is coming to life. Surrounded by towering peaks, dense forests, and endless views, this incredible duplex mansion is being built at an astonishing cost of $55 million. From the very beginning, the vision was clear: create a home that blends modern luxury with the raw beauty of nature. Construction crews first prepared the mountain terrain, carefully carving out a stable foundation without disturbing the surrounding landscape. Massive stone walls and reinforced concrete supports were installed to ensure the structure could withstand extreme weather conditions, strong winds, and heavy snowfall. As the framework rises, the scale of the project becomes truly impressive. Every beam, every column, and every floor is engineered with precision. The duplex design allows two expansive levels of luxury living while maximizing panoramic mountain views from every room. Large floor-to-ceiling glass panels are installed throughout the exterior. These enormous windows transform the walls into living paintings, showcasing breathtaking views of valleys, forests, and distant mountain ranges. Moving inside, the beauty becomes even more remarkable. The grand entrance welcomes guests with soaring ceilings and elegant architectural details. Natural stone, premium hardwood, and custom-crafted finishes create an atmosphere of sophistication and warmth. The main living room is the heart of the home. Massive windows flood the space with natural sunlight, while a stunning modern fireplace creates a cozy gathering place during cold mountain evenings. Next comes the gourmet kitchen, designed for both luxury and functionality. Marble countertops, custom cabinetry, and state-of-the-art appliances make this space perfect for entertaining family and friends. The dining area offers an unforgettable experience. Imagine enjoying breakfast while watching the sunrise over the mountains or sharing dinner with loved ones as the sky turns golden at sunset. Upstairs, the master suite is nothing short of spectacular. This private retreat features a spacious bedroom, a luxury spa-style bathroom, and a personal balcony overlooking the breathtaking landscape. Several guest bedrooms are equally impressive, each designed with comfort, privacy, and incredible views in mind. One of the home's most exciting features is the indoor entertainment area. It includes a private cinema, game lounge, and relaxation spaces where family and guests can enjoy unforgettable moments together. The mansion also features a fully equipped fitness center, allowing residents to stay active while enjoying stunning mountain scenery. Outside, expansive terraces extend from multiple levels of the home. These outdoor living spaces are designed to blend seamlessly with nature, creating the perfect environment for relaxation and entertainment. An infinity-edge swimming pool appears to stretch directly into the mountains, creating a visual masterpiece unlike anything else. Nearby, luxurious seating areas and outdoor fireplaces provide comfort year-round. As construction continues, skilled craftsmen focus on every detail. From handcrafted woodwork to custom lighting installations, each element reflects exceptional quality and attention to detail. The landscaping is equally impressive. Native plants, stone pathways, waterfalls, and scenic gardens enhance the natural beauty of the mountain environment while maintaining ecological harmony. What makes this project truly extraordinary is not just its price tag of $55 million. It's the perfect balance between luxury, engineering, and nature. Every room tells a story. Every window frames a masterpiece. Every detail has been carefully designed to create a once-in-a-lifetime living experience. As the final touches are added, this magnificent mountain duplex is becoming more than just a house. It is becoming a symbol of vision, craftsmanship, and architectural excellence. Perched high above the world, surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty, this incredible home stands as one of the most remarkable mountain residences ever built. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing construction and luxury home stories.